All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2007 Chevy Corvette convertible hardtop. Now, of course, the reason why I say convertible hardtop is because Corvette really wanted to innovate its cars, even so being a continuous version of the hardtop and soft top. But before we get into that, let's go into the beautiful Le Mans blue that comes in with it. And even so, Le Mans blue definitely strikes an eye rather than your plain Jane Chevy red, orange, silver, even black. But even so, the Le Mans blue really does pick its color of the car. Even so, being the C5 generation is very desirable. Even so, more comfortable than your newer C8, C7 Corvettes. But even so, on the exterior, it does feature the chrome style 5-spoke wheels. And even so, you can see that it does have the 4-wheel disc brakes going all the way around. Even so, with the Corvettes later in the years, you do notice that they get lowered to the ground. So low that even a bump like that will almost ruin your front end. That's why you really want to take it delicate, especially with a car like this. But even so, as we look at the exterior, we're going to move on to the interior, featuring a little bit of a light gray and black interior two-tone. You have those racing style bucket seats made of the finest material yet. And even so, this was still the time when C5 Corvettes had its style and comfort. Even so, as I said, the innovation of it was just growing with a fully working needle gauge cluster. And even so, you will see on the cluster that it does read 62,000 miles from the odometer. So even for a 2007, that is pretty low mileage for a cool car like this. Even so, you see that we do have the touchscreen style radio, which even so, if you push that little button there, it will raise up and you can still add little CDs underneath. AC control buttons are all in good shape. As you can see, your finger deterioration has not gone on, but everything is working as it should. Followed by the power steering. You even have your paddle shifters on the wheel. Wheel is in good shape all the way around, not really dirtied up. Followed by your window controls, locks, buttons, even mirror controls. In fact, even at the time of the C5, you could have a personal profile to how you wanted to drive your C5 Corvette. But even so, on the interior and exterior, you will see that you no longer have door handles, but push buttons for the inside and outside, which even so makes it cleaner, easier, and safer in its own way. Even so, on the mirror, you will see that you have your on emergency services followed by navigation. Many cool features that come with the C5 2007 Corvette that there's too many to list, which even so, we move on to the engine bay featuring that 3LT LS2 motor, which even so for this kind of car brings a lot of power, a lot of good sound out the back. And even so, during the driving or walk around video is very quiet. We're going to open it up now, let you get a full feel of the vehicle. You can see right there we reached 56 miles as from the little screen that projects onto the window. Handling pretty good. The shift pattern was perfect. Even so, now with the 4-wheel disc brakes, we will give you a final brake test to show you the safety of the vehicle. And as well as that, stops, idles, and does as it should. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around up on the lift. So if you have a moment with us, folks, please stay tuned to see the underneath.